Okay guys, so this is the Redmi 7A and I have successfully installed the custom recovery and also the custom ROM. Okay, this custom ROM that we're using is the Nusantara OS LTS on Android 10 and it is 64 bits. Okay, in this tutorial I will show you how to do it. All the files and instruction I will provide in my blog. You can check in the description box. Okay, the ROM is quite fast enough and smooth, and I've checked you can use it for daily driver. Okay, it's better than the stock ROM, and it also 64 bits. Okay, make sure you have follow all the instruction so you will not get any problem. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Again with Bob. This time we have Xiaomi Phone. This is the Redmi 7A. The code name is Pine, and today we're going to try to customize this phone using the Nusantara OS. Okay, let's go to the settings. Let's check the default setting for stock ROM. Okay, let's go. Go to the settings, about phone, and and okay, and this phone is on MIUI 12.0.3 and MIUI global. It's based on Android 10. And let's enable the developer option by hit the new version 5 times. Okay, one. Back. Go to the channel settings. Developer option. And make sure you have unlocked the phone. Okay. Unlocking Xiaomi Phone is very simple and there's lots of tutorial about it. Okay. Always check my video for unlocking Xiaomi Phone, and you can also check for other tutorial. Okay, so make sure you have unlocked your phone. Okay, now let's go to the Fastboot mode. Let's power it off. And let's go to the folder. Okay, by pressing the volume down and power button. And let's plug in the USB cable. Okay, now we are in the Fastboot mode. Okay, and now let's try to flash the custom recovery. Okay, just for information, this ROM is based on 64 bits. Okay, so we're going to use the 64-bit custom recovery. Okay, we'll use this one as usual. Just type fastboot space flash space recovery and just click on select the files. Okay, done. Now type fastboot space reboot. After that, press the volume up button. Okay, fastboot reboot, enter, and press the volume up. Okay, now we are in the custom recovery. Let's put down the phone. And we want to wipe, format data. Okay. So go to the menu here, select format and type yes. Okay. Then hit home button, click reboot and recovery again. Okay, now let's swipe it. Go to the wipe menu again. Then goes to the advanced wipe and wipe all. Okay, the 5 options: data, Delphic, data, gas, system, and also vendor. So it will be 5 items that will be wiped. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, swipe it. And it's always a good option to backup the FS, so we're going to do it. Go to the menu, option, compression, back to backup, and check all the options. Okay, accept the FS. Is it this one? I'm going to backup this one. Okay, done. Now let's switch the screen again. Okay, this is the step. And let's copy the backup. It's always good thing to backup the FS. Now let's copy some files. Okay, I want to test if the internet storage can read the files. That's one file. Okay, it's safe. You can ignore this one. Okay. And let's copy some file. Okay, we need the custom ROM, the vendor RAM64, the 2 files, and then we also need the gaps. Okay, this is based on 64 Android 11, so we're going to use these gaps. Okay. And just for your information, the stock ROM for Redmi 7A is 32-bit, and this custom ROM is based on 64-bit. Okay, we also want to install Magisk. This is optional. Okay, so this is the step. First thing, you need to flash the custom recovery and then reboot to the custom recovery, format and wipe all, flash the base system one, that's the custom ROM, it's one, then reboot to the recovery again, and then flash the gaps, and also flash the Magisk if you want to. And this ROM is created by pro_xix. Okay, so thanks to him, it's possible to have Nusantara OS on our phone. Okay, let's go back to the phone. Swipe it. First thing, on the flash the base file. It's contain the firmware update and also the vendor. Install base, okay, Mozip and the Nusantara OS. Okay, this is LTS and unofficial yet. Okay, let's wait. Now it's pressing the custom ROM. And it's finished. Okay. So for the next steps is need to reboot to the custom recovery again. Okay, hit the home button, click reboot and recovery. Okay, it's time. Let's install images. Go to the install menu again. Select the apps, Atmos zip, and images. Okay, done. Now we need to format the data. Okay, it's important. Go to the home button again, to the wipe, like format data and FPS. Okay, and hit the reboot system. Okay, you can see now the boot logo is changing from the MIUI to the Nusantara OS boot logo. Okay, very fast. And now we are in the home screen. Very nice and very fast. It's put it less than 10 seconds. Okay, we'll stop this video and we'll continue this video with a quick review about this one. Okay. Okay guys, before we continue to make a quick review about this ROM, I want to tell you that this ROM has several bugs, so we have to fix it manually. Okay, it's the screen, and some of the bug is brightness. Brightness we can fix it from Magisk. Bluetooth audio fix, the T2W and let type notification. Okay, some of them can be fixed passing to the Magisk module. Some of them you have to mount it and install it from recovery and so on. Okay, let's try to fix the bug. And first thing we need to do is enable the filter option. Go to the settings, about phone, and find the build number. Build number 5 times, and then go to the settings, the filter option, and make sure you have enabled. Okay. And now let's go to the some recovery. Open PowerShell and add a Reboot recovery. And also the MTP is, you cannot read MTP in the Android mode. Okay, so it's also a bug. Yeah, let's try to fix it. The first thing is, let's copy the Magisk this APK because it not has been activated. Okay, let's copy to here. And let's copy this file, brightness fix, Bluetooth audio, and okay, just 2 files. Okay, let's try to fix the Bluetooth audio. First thing we need to do is mount the system. Okay, over here, and it goes to the mount menu here, and check this one and select system. Okay, back and select the install menu, goes to the folder where you see the file, and flash the brightness use fix. Okay, there's error message right here. Sorry, go back. We should install this one. Okay, and select the Bluetooth audio. This is for fixing the Bluetooth audio. Okay, and select the file. Okay, done. Now reboot the system again. And I will remove this card. Keep asking me the pin. Okay, and now let's install Magisk first. Okay, for fixing the brightness. Go to the internal storage, go to the download, and let me just install. And we need to connect to the Wi-Fi also. Okay. Seems that Play Store is crashing. Okay, now open the images. Require additional setup. Please click OK, and it will reboot system. Okay, and for the second one, we need the Magisk model. Okay, you can see there is a bug. We cannot read the MTP from the Android, so you copy the file to the SD card or from the custom recovery if you use a computer. Let's open images. Let's follow module. Allow, and let's find the files. Okay, brightness is fixed. This one, and select. Okay, done. And I forgot to copy that notification, so let's reboot it into the custom recovery again. Okay, copy the files again. You don't have to boot it to the recovery again, just because I forgot to copy the file. And let's reboot the system. Okay, now let's try to fix the LED light only in notification. And let's open a file manager. Go to the download folder and select the LED light only notification. Okay, then install the APK, the master BT notif, continue, install. Okay, let's open it. It request for pre-issue request, just granted. Okay, and let's open the okay. Okay, now brightness is working after we install the Magisk module. Okay, the APK. Okay, we don't have to open it. Okay, it's automatically. And now for the last box, the DT2W. Okay, this is the Redmi. Blah blah. So you have to open a terminal, or you can use PowerShell for Windows and type this command. Okay. After typing this, you must go to the one to give it an access. Okay, that you. Sorry. Initial. Okay, let's type initial and type su. We will request root access. Okay, granted. Now we are in the root mode. Yeah, let's type this command. Let's copy and paste it here. Done. And let's copy also this file. Copy and paste it. Okay, done. Now we need to reboot phone again. Okay, so it's all done for fixing the bug. Okay, the brightness fixed, the Bluetooth audio fixed, the DT2W fixed, and the LED light only notification. Okay guys, so this is the Nusantara OS Android 10 LTS and on Redmi 7A Pine. Okay, we're gonna make a quick review about this ROM for the basic function. If it is quite usable for daily driver. Okay. First, we want to install some apps. Okay, I have copies the file into the storage, and let's install IDA 64. Okay, this ROM is very fast and smooth. Okay, it's better than the new 12, the latest stock firmware. This is better. Then let's install Magisk. Maps. And now let's install the root checker just for fun. And also browser, because we want to test the sound and video by playing YouTube. Okay. Now the first thing we need to check is the Magisk. Okay, it has been installed, and let's check using the root checker. Okay, check, granted. And your Redmi 7A is rooted on Android 10. Okay, nice. Then let's open Magisk again. Let's enable the Magisk site, and let's check the safety net. Okay, seems that the safety net failed. You can always fix this one by flashing the safety net fix. Okay, let's try. Because this is 64-bit ROM, so we can use the safety net fix. Okay, you can see instruction set 16-4-bit. Okay, let's fix the Magisk. Select module, install from storage, and let's install the safety net. Okay, reboot. Okay, done. Now let's open the Magisk again. Let's check if it's already fixed the safety net. Okay, it's failed, so you cannot pass the safety nets, but it's not a problem. Okay, you can always use another model to fix this one. Okay, let's skip this one. And now let's test the camera. Okay, let's take a picture using the back camera. And now let's take a picture from the front camera. Let's switch to video recording. Okay, this is I'm recording video from the front camera, and let's stop this one. Okay, let's switch to the back video recorder. This is recorded using the back camera. I'll stop this one and let's check the result. Okay, let's open the gallery. Okay, this is the result of the back camera. It's working. We're not expecting best result, but we're expecting it is working. Okay, and this is the front video recording camera. Okay, working. This is recorded using the camera. I'll stop this one and let's. Okay, nice. So all the function of the camera is working. The taking a picture and taking a video is working perfectly. And now let's open the maps. I'm testing the GPS. Skip this one. Okay, it's working. It is in the right spot. This is where I am, and it has small blue dots. Okay, it means that it's locking, and I think it's working for navigation also. Okay, and now let's open the browser. Let's find YouTube. 。 Okay, let's try another one. This one. Okay guys, sound in video is working, so there is no problem with this ROM. Okay, except for the safety net maybe. But it is not very important if you don't use banking apps. It doesn't. It even doesn't. Sorry, I mean, it does not a problem. Okay. So for the conclusion is all the basic functions for this phone is working perfectly. The GPS is working, the camera is working, and the SIM card is also working before, and the sound and video is working properly. Okay, so for the verdict is I will recommend this ROM for daily driver. Okay, it's better than the MU 12, the latest one, and it's more faster and smooth. Okay, now it's all depend on you guys. Okay. Okay, that's all. I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button. And I also have a last video about custom ROM and routing. Please check my other video. And I will very appreciate if you subscribe, because it will make me excited for making a new video. Okay, thank you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wassalamualaikum.